Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading and installing Audacity on your Windows computer. So on this tutorial, it's Windows 11, but it'll apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice. Doesn't matter to me. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And into Google search, you want to search for Audacity and go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should come back with Audacity free open source. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the download Audacity button. And go ahead and give it a second to begin the download process. And once it's done downloading, it's only about 30 megabytes. Go ahead and open it up to actually run the file. And you can minimize out of the web browser too at this time. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. So go ahead and select your correct setup language, select OK. It's going to say welcome to the Audacity setup wizard. I'm going to close out of the second setup wizard. I think I accidentally opened it up twice. Go ahead and select next. Agree to the license terms, select next again. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can, otherwise uncheck that and then select next. And then you want to select install. And then select next again. And then you can go ahead and launch Audacity at this point. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.